right, you ready? You got your foot on the brake? Yeah. All right, then hit that red button.
Ah, you like that, don't you? You like that?
So if you hear it, you can hit that other one. There it go.
Okay, cut it off.
As you can see, man, it's a beautiful day. So we're gonna take advantage of this little bit of sun we got. And we got our first official install today, you feel me? So you know where I'm at, man. I'm in the hood with my family, you feel me, over here at TT Spot. We got to go ahead and get this first install, you feel me? So if you follow me on Instagram at whipswitwavy, you already know I'm about to officially have my first shop, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna have our first customer, you feel me? And then we got, you know what I mean, Celine and that cut looking oh so good. But if you seen at the beginning of the video, you already know what we're working on today, man. Shout out to the people over at Carlock. This is not a sponsored video or none of that. I just appreciate the deal, you know what I mean? Like, it was a good product. And if you like how I am, bro, and you care about the stuff you got, and y'all know how many times I done dealt with, you know what I'm saying, vandalism and all of that, man, this would have came in clutch. So we can go ahead and throw this in, start this banging. Boom, we inside the whip, man, you feel me? And from what I understand, this is a pretty easy install, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got to do too much. Y'all seen it a few minutes ago. That's little homie who started the whip up. He out here clowning. Think he done ran out of gas. Oh, nah, he good. But nah, man, so it's a pretty quick, easy install, you know what I'm saying? You just pop this open. And then once you open the box, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. All right, there we go. You'll see your little port, man. And that's gonna show you your new car lock. All right, so like I said, you just gonna get up under here. Where is it? I can't really see it. Trying to show y'all, make sure I'm recording this the right way. All right, there you go. Then you just pop that boy on in there, man. So now, once you get everything plugged in and registered, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go on a drive, just so your the phone can pick up your GPS location. So that's what we're doing right now. I don't know how long this gonna take, but we can cruise around, see if we can get this GPS to pop up. But man, look at them red guts, boy. Yes, sir. Motherfuckers doing all that racing, quiet now. What happened? I thought you was Mr. Speedman.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, man, so it's the next day, you feel me? And we officially got it all set up and we in, man, you feel me? So this is what it'll look like when you finally get everything set up. So let me get about the light so y'all see that glare. There we go. So I gotta use my bad phone, you know what I'm saying, for the footage, but y'all can get the idea. So right now, this is the car. Don't worry about the address. But you can see where the car is, and it's got like this cool GPS map too, man. Like, it shows you like real world time what it kind of looks like around where you are, you know what I'm saying? So right now the car is unlocked, but boom, now it's armed and dangerous, you feel me? Ready to go. So one of the other things that's pretty cool, man, you can see a lot of features in here, like a whole lot of features. So like, you can see some of your speeds. Like if you was out there speeding, I hit 91, I was doing a little something. I'm gonna show y'all why here in a minute. But it shows you a lot, man. Like, then you can go into your settings, you can change the color of the whole app. Like, I kept mine a blue, like a lighter blue, because when you arm the vehicle, it turns to like a reddish orange. So I want to stay away from that, but you get the idea. But I won't lie, man, it's a pretty nifty nap. The one thing they don't tell you though is that it's like $9 a month for your subscription once you get everything set up. But I mean, $9 a month for peace of mind, knowing that my big investment is outside and safe. I could do that, you feel me? So one of the other things that I really want to focus on with these next couple pieces and these next couple builds, I want to start trying to get a couple more things like outside of, you know what I mean, like small technical stuff. I want to start getting into these big builds. So once I start changing some of this stuff and really like get these parts in, like, and I got a big one on the way for y'all, man, a big one. A lot of y'all kind of guessed it already on Instagram. If you follow me at whipswitwavy, you already know what I got coming, man. But hold on, real quick, shout out to that boy Josh Laurent, man. My young man, what he 19, I think he is. Went up to the dealership, copped him that new 2021 Red Eye with cash, man. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a big move, and it's a real big move, man. But I ain't gonna hate, you know what I'm saying? A lot of cats is mad about it. He only 19 doing something like that. A lot of cats ain't even got that much money in their Hellcat and they grown men, you know what I'm saying? So to see a 19-year-old do that, I salute that, you know what I mean? Because y'all know I'm all about saving money and moving forward, and that's big, especially as a 19-year-old, man. That's huge. And I know it's a lot of y'all that watch the channel, like, you know what I'm saying, that's younger, can't even drive yet, or you're still plotting on what you want to do, man. Save, I'm telling you. You do not got to get a Hellcat at the gate. A lot of the people who do this, we didn't have that, you know what I'm saying? So y'all need to take and soak up all the game that we're giving you feel me? Save as much as you can, bro. By the time you my age, you'll have a Hellcat, Lambo, or something else, you know what I'm saying? Worry about that credit score. Worry about making sure that bank account hitting. Worry about making sure you hitting them books. And I ain't talking about school books, you feel me? Knowledge is key. Always remember that. So, back into the builds, man. We're gonna get some more of this stuff. And oh, look, so if you look on the dashboard, like I said on the map, it goes back and it's all, I love how that looks. You know what I mean? And I can even see where I was just driving at on my last route. Show me the whole city, show me everywhere I went. You know what I'm saying? And then it keeps a log. Hold on. Got the GPS location. Then I could go back in here. I could look at all the trips I've been on. Where is it? Yeah, the log right here. So look, boom, it showed me every trip that I've been on since I got it installed, man. That's nice. That's a nice feature. You know what I mean? Like, so if I take my car, go get an oil change, I ain't gotta worry about none of you goofies sliding around. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the oil change myself anyways, but something I ain't gotta worry about, man. It's a nice little thing, peace of mind for like, what, $60? Can't beat it, man. So shout out to the people over at Carlock. This was not a sponsored video. This is just, you know what I mean? Y'all know how I do. Anytime I get something I like to, you know what I mean, shout them out. Like I said, this is a quick install video, man. Just something quick, boom, boom. Ain't gonna be too much to it. Y'all know I don't like to kill y'all to death with the words. I like to make sure each video is a banger. So I got a couple things lined up for y'all, man. So shout out to my boy Life is Therm. Y'all gonna see him on the channel. At some point, I'm gonna try and get my man Josh Laurent on there. I got my man K Vans up in Detroit. We linking with him soon, so y'all just gonna have to stay tuned, man. It's gonna be a big 2021, but it's your boy Wavy signing off, man. Y'all hit that bell, like, share, subscribe. All the love y'all show go a long way. Make it so I can do a lot more, you feel me? So y'all stay there and stay tuned.